Hi all, this is Subramayam here. I am the senior technology architect at Capgemini. I am an AWS certified solution architect professional. Also, I am AWS certified DevOps engineer professional. Today, I'll be talking about how to connect to an AWS Windows EC2 instance through the AWS console. Yeah, actually, in my previous session, I have already showed you how to create an Windows EC2 instance. Today, I'll be talking about how to connect to that created EC2 instance. This is my AWS console. Click on EC2. Go to the instances. Remove the filter so that you can see all your instances. This is the instance which we created in our previous session. My instance is up and running. Health checks also fine. Go to the instance. Here I'll be connecting to this instance through this IPv4 DNS. Click on connect. There are different ways to connect to this EC2 instance, either through session manager and RDP client. I'll be showing now through the RDP client. So to connect your to your remote desktop, remote EC2 instance, you need to have this DNS name, username, and password. Click on the get password. Okay. Actually, during the creation of your EC2 instance, you might have download one FEM file, and I have downloaded that FEM file, and then I have given a name like Subbu KP underscore 20 November 2020. I'll be browsing to that file to upload here. Actually, that is there in my downloads folder. This is my downloads folder. Let me check for that FEM file. This is the file which I need to choose. Click on open, then click on decrypt password. Yes, now I have all the things which are required to connect to my EC2 instance. So click on this download remote desktop file. It will download an exe file. Click on that. Click on connect. Okay. So this is the DNS name which has already taken through this RDP. Now you have to copy the username and password. Copy the username. Come back to this window. Do Control V. Then give the password. Copy the password. Go back to the window. Paste it. Choose the domain as local domain. This is my laptop. Click on OK. Click on yes. Yes. You have connected to the EC2 instance. You can see the name of this EC2 instance. This is the DNS name which we were trying to connect. It is loading the desktop. It may take a couple of seconds to minutes. Connection has been lost or attempting to reconnect. I will see. Yes, so you're able to we are able to connect to the remote instance, and you can see the configurations of this remote instance. This is the public IP address, this is private IP address. You can cross check this IP address with your instances on your console. The type of instances is T2 micro. Availability zone is this is the one. Okay, so you can see other details as well. So this is your remote desktop, and there is another way to connect to this remote desktop. You can close this. Another way is go to your Windows and then type for remote desktop, open, copy this DNS name is copied, go back to this window, Control A, delete, give that copy DNS name here, click on connect. It has taken this DNS name and username already. Just to copy the password, go back to the RDP window, paste it, click on OK, click on yes. Yes, you are able to connect to your EC2 instance now, and usually it will be internet readily internet connected one. You can go to your browser, you can check for something. This is issue with the Internet Explorer. This will ask for one-time setup, one-time configurations. Of course, that configurations has been taken. So now we can see like it has displayed the content related to dog. So now it shows like it's connected to the network. So that's all from me today. Please subscribe to my channel to get more updates from me. Thank you all. Bye.